Hello citizens of the internet, and welcome to the Dad's Guide to Minecraft building tutorial. My name is Anthony, and today we're going to be building this really cool, really simple, lossless design of a sugarcane farm. In our previous design, we used a water stream to carry the sugarcane into a hopper. Sometimes the sugarcane would get stuck on the blocks and not go into the water stream. But with this design, we're using a Hopper Minecart going back and forth, picking up everything that drops down on the dirt below. So, if this design sounds like a plan, let's get started. Okay, let's check out the materials we'll need. We'll need 63 structure blocks. I'm using cobblestone, 1 hopper, 2 chests, 2 powered rails, 6 regular rails, 2 levers, 8 dirt, sand, or grass blocks, water, 8 sugarcane, a hopper minecart, 8 redstone dust, 30 smooth stone slabs, or any other slab for that matter, 32 glass blocks, 8 pistons, and 8 observers. The first thing we're going to do is put down a row of 10 blocks like this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And then on the top of each end, we're going to put another block. Coming from this end, we'll count over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And take that block out. This is where the hopper is going to go. Let's put our double chest down right here. Switch to our hopper, crouch and click so the hopper goes into the double chest. And then we'll switch to our powered rails. We'll do a power rail on each side. Don't worry about the orientation that it's facing. It'll adjust properly once we put the other rails down. So switching to the other rails, let's go ahead and put them across. You'll need to crouch and click on top of the hopper and just keep going across like that. Now to power the rails, we're going to use levers. You can use redstone torches if you want, but I find levers are nice because you can turn them on and off as you need the cart to move back and forth. And that is the base of the structure. Everything else we're going to build on top of this. So starting here, we'll do structure blocks on the corners again. So right here and right here. And then right across this entire thing will drop our 8 dirt. Like that. This is where the sugarcane is going to be planted. So coming around to the back, this is where we're going to need to make our water trough right here. So we're going to use our structure blocks and we're going to come out 2 and then 1 on both sides. 2 in the top, 1 right here. Now let's go ahead and connect these across like this. So 8 more here and then 8 more right across here like this. Coming up, we can put our water source in here. And if you only have 1 bucket, you can put it in the middle and it'll spread out both directions. You can put it at the end. With 8 blocks like this, it'll cover up the entire area. Or if you have enough water available, you can just put sources down until it's nice and calm like that. So you don't have that water rushing sound all the time. Switching to our sugarcane, let's go ahead and put this down as well, like that. And then we'll go back to our structure blocks and we're gonna go 2 right here. And then we're gonna go across the water supply. So 2 on this side as well. And then we'll come across like this. Now we're gonna put our pistons facing this direction. So let's go ahead and switch out what we have here so we can get our new tools that we will need for this build. So we'll get our observers, our pistons, our glass blocks, our slabs, our redstone dust, our hopper minecart. So we'll do our pistons. You want to click towards the back of the block so you can easily have the piston facing toward you like this. And we'll come over and put all 8 down. And then behind these, we're going to put another row of structure blocks. Just make sure that it's a structure block that conducts redstone current. Look like that. And then we'll do 2 more. And then let's go ahead and put 2 more on top of that as well. And we'll do 2 more on this side as well like this. Now, crouching back here, we'll put our observers facing this direction. And you know you have it right if the red activator port is in the back. So we'll go ahead and just go down the line, crouching and dropping our observers. Now let's go ahead and put our redstone dust down, and we'll put 8 pieces on the back of each observer like that. And then across the top here, we're going to put our slabs. So we'll do just across like here. And then we'll do a row across the front as well. So we'll just come across like this. Now with the roof down here and being a half slab, we don't have to worry about lighting up the top of this roof. Monsters will not spawn on top of here. And finally, we're going to put our glass blocks down. Starting right here, we're going to come down a total of 4 until we hit the dirt block and just move across the front like this. And finally, the last thing we need to do is put in our Hopper Minecart. And when you put it down on the end of a powered rail against a block like this, it'll automatically start it running. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and would like to see more content from the Dad's Guide channel, please click that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you don't miss an upcoming episode, and please consider leaving me a like as it really helps the channel grow. Until next time, bye for now.